Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year.
Oh my God. I can't film cooking videos. I don't know how you people do this. By the time I get my shot set up, my food's gonna burn. Hot mess mom's cooking recipe. And now my battery's dying. That's great. That's fantastic. Yeah, this ain't working. Okay, I'm going to add some brown sugar and some onion soup recipe. And this is all I could find in my house, so some red wine vinegar. It's supposed to be apple cider vinegar, but I don't have any apple cider vinegar, so this is going to have to work. Okay, I was panicking, but okay, so it's a little browned on this side, but not on this side, but it's brown on the other side. And then I went ahead and mixed the brown sugar and some pecans and some onion soup and some red wine vinegar and some olive oil, and it looks so good. It looks like a pie. But now I'm going to add this to it, and then I'm going to set this to 20 minutes and then see how it turns out. God, please, I hope this turns out good. You guys, it turned out so well. Look at this. I'm going to eat a piece. Look at that. Yum. That's all the juices from the pork. I didn't add extra juice. I only put in, well, you saw what I put in. Apple cider red wine vinegar, 1 apple. That's what these are. some onion soup mix, but I didn't even put in all of it. I did just the onions from the top, and then what's left inside is like all the like spicy gravy stuff. See, I only did like the onions on top. So, oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to see the look on everyone's faces when they eat it. Come back, I want to talk to you. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hi, you're on the vlog.
Oh, hi.
Who are you barking at?
He's barking at me because he's not used to me getting home until 5.
Yep.
Sometimes 8.
This is so true. Yeah. Aaron got a book.
I can read.
His first book from school.
Cute.
Yep, I guess we have to practice reading it or something. I didn't get any instructions with it. I just got a book. On the back it says something. It said,
Goodwill Bookworks, Aaron.
you got bookworks, boo-boo? Aaron's getting a bottle because it has medicine in it.
Ooh.
I just love my tree.
It's a beautiful tree.
I want to get more of these. I keep saying I'm going to get more and I don't, because I don't want to go in the Dollar Tree, because if I walk into the Dollar Tree, I'm going to spend $20. I can't just go in there and get like 5 balls and that's it.
Give me the amount of money and I will go in for you. 'Cause,
Okay.
Yeah.
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 Oh, I guess I should show everybody what the heck this is. So, I am cleaning out the cabinets. Like, I have to vacuum and everything because we're going to be moving soon. So, like, my cabinets, this is kind of embarrassing, but whatever. This is life, and I know I'm not the only one. Okay, so it's dirty down there. It is really nasty dirty. So, I'm going to deep clean these cabinets. That way, when it's time to move, I don't have to do it later. And also, I can go ahead and put the stuff that we don't use in boxes and then just have it ready. I mean, this is everything that was under the cabinets and the bottom cabinets. So it's not that much. It just kind of, I guess this box makes it look worse because there's like a random box on top, but this is everything I own as far as like in the kitchen. Yep. So I gotta box all this up after I clean all this, but I really don't want to clean it. And I spent the day editing a vlog, and yep. Should Aaron go to school tomorrow? He has snotty nose. What do you think, Aaron? You want to go to school tomorrow?
You much better.
You feel much better? Okay. That's good. You're so beautiful. I love you.
I love you.
So good.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yes, it is.
My baby, he's 6, so we're steaming up the shower for him so he can breathe. Right, boo-boo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice and steamy in here. It is. The water's going up, up, and up. Well, we can turn off the shower now, okay? And then you can just play with your toys. All right, boo-boo? You just play with your toys, and I'll sit right here with you. And up and up. Yep. Now are you tired?
No.
Are you ready to go sleepy night-night?
No.
You want to go sleep in your bed?
No.
You love your trampoline, don't you?
Yeah.
See, guys, why would you go and buy an expensive trampoline when you can go get yourself a little single, cheap little twin-size mattress and keep your very, very busy 3-year-old get all those wiggles out so you can be extra tired so you can go night-night.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.